today's Ethereum analysis on weekly time frame, we had this level of resistance for the price, and also the price touched that and started falling, and it gave us a candle like this, an engulfing candle. I told you that we can risk somewhere here and enter sell position here with a stop loss above the candle and look for our reward if you are trading based on support and resistances. And the people who have entered sell position there right now, they are in profit, okay? But if you are a breakout trader like me, we can wait for this trend line with 4 touches on that broken to the downside. Then we can actually enter sell position with our second confirmation and with more safety, okay? Then we can put our stop loss somewhere safe and look for our reward, a long-term sell position, okay? Because it is weekly time frame. Let's check daily time frame to see what we have there. On daily time frame, we had 2 supports for the price, and the price touched those supports. One was this one was for 4-hour time frame, and this one was for daily time frame, and the price touched both of them, and it gave us a candle like this one, a shadow from downside and a small body, which we call it pin bar. And after that the price started going up. I told you that we can have a buy position here with a stop loss below the candle and look for our reward, which we are in profit right now on the price, and the price is in the way to give us our more reward, okay? And also we have this trend line for the price with 2 touches on that. If the price start going up more and touch this level and even break it to the upside, we can enter another buy position there with a stop loss below the candle somewhere safe and look for our reward, okay? And our reward can be this resistance here, or this one here, or our weekly time frames resistance there. Let's check 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, I don't see anything special, okay? I'm gonna delete these trend supports for the price because it is making my chart too much actually dirty, and I don't like my chart look like that, and I want to see it a bit empty, okay, and more clean. And right now on the price we have this trend line for the price, which it was like this. We connect this one to this one here, and when we see these shadows outside the trend line, we're gonna extend it like this one and wait for the next candles to break it to the downside, okay? And if any candle can break it to the downside, we can have our sell position opened on Ethereum on 4-hour time frame, not any other time frames, because you know, you might enter in lower time frames like 5 or 15-minute time frame to get more rewards or bigger rewards, risk to rewards, and you know, the price can easily start going up and it is a fake breakout and touch your stop loss easily, okay? Let's check 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, I don't see anything special. Let me delete this one here, and also this one here. You know, I'm gonna show you that one there because we need that. On 1-hour time frame, I don't see anything special, but you know, we have this actually small trend line here, and when we see that shadow out of the trend line, we extend it and wait for the next candles to break it to the upside. If any candle can break it to the upside, we can have our buy position opened on 1-hour time frame. You can see that we have different scenarios, buy and sell positions in different time frames, okay? It depends on you which time frame you are trading on, okay? Let's check 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, the same we had here, okay? We have a shadow out of the trend line, so we're gonna extend our trend line and wait for the next candles to break it to the upside, okay? And if any candle can break it to the upside, we can have our buy position opened. Let's check 5-minute time frame to see what we have there. On 5-minute time frame, I don't see anything special, but we have a resistance here for the price like this one. And if the price can touch that level and it gives us a nice candle on that, we can actually enter a sell position there with a stop loss above that and look for our reward. Okay, and we can also imagine this trend line here too. We can wait for this to be for the price to break this to the downside, then we can actually enter sell position and get our reward. But let me show you something in the 5-minute time frame. If you have watched my previous analysis, I told you that on 5-minute time frame we have this position we can open. I told you that we can enter sell position here with a stop loss above the candle and look for our reward. Okay, let me draw that for you. After that, the price starts falling and gives us a reward of 6, which is fantastic. Okay, and it is great. You know, the chart is getting loaded. Okay, because of that the things are disappearing, you know, some internet noising and those kind of problems. Let's check 1-minute time frame to see what we have there, then finish our video. On 1-minute time frame I don't see anything special. It's a bit noisy on crypto, and also BTC is the same. It is not like gold or silver that we can actually enter buy and sell positions on 1-minute time frame. Okay, crypto market is a bit dangerous to trade on lower time frames like 5-minute and 1-minute time frame. You can see also we don't have any technical side on that. You know, we can see the candle is being made, you know, too much quickly in just some seconds. Okay, you're gonna act quickly if you are trading on 1-minute time frame. It was all about today's analysis of Ethereum. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.